2 weeks later we are going to do a little cinematic flying with DJI Osmo Nano. Today I brought Mrs. Discus. I hope you can see. She made herself pretty for you. And this is the analog Discus build. So let's see how well the DJI Nano can perform on a cinematic flight. Yeah, we didn't fly for a while, so the dog is very happy about it, I guess. Okay, let's cruise. I can't go too low here because there are small fences for the horses that are on the fields here. I probably won't stabilize the footage because I don't think I have to. I just try to fly smoothly. It should be good enough. Because the thing with the Nano is that you only get 155 degrees field of view. So if you stabilize, you lose even more. So I rather not stabilize and fly smooth, and that way I still preserve some field of view at least. Technically you can use the fisheye lens for the Action 4. You can screw that on, the threads are the same, but it's like 20 grams and 70 euros. So I don't think it would be useful for freestyle flying, but sure, you could use it for cinematics like this, and with some lens work in gyro you can make it so that the view is not like distorted anymore. Should look pretty fine, and that lens gives you 180 degrees field of view, so that would be pretty insane. This is a little bit sketchy with the analog footage, because I think there are some trees here that don't have any more leaves, which means I don't see the branches too good. Like you see them, but only if it's too late, or when it's too late. Alright, that's it. We got 4 minutes and 30 on cruising, so we lose quite a lot of flight time with the heavy cam. But for a little cinematic flying, I think it's pretty nice. Don't you think? I think it's good enough. Let's land, switch the Lipo and do another round. Okay. Did we reconnect? Oh, the action pod turned off. Are we connecting? We are connecting. Nice. This is like the best feature on the cam, that you can control it while it's still in the quad. Pretty cool. Still faster than the dog. I think now we got the actually good shots here. Let's see if we can put it in the ground here. I'm only using the internal analog module, so I don't know how far I can go, but I want to run along this tree line here. And when I'm at the end of the tree line, I know I have the range, and then I do a Imberman into the sun and we fly along again. So with HG0 I kind of get a feeling on how the shot will look, but with analog I don't have that. Okay, I think that was pretty cool. Let's turn around and come back. This is probably about 500 meters. I'm all the way back over there. That was a pretty fun shot. I think I could do the same here, but I can't go as far. So maybe if I go here. I don't want to go over there because there are horses. So let's just fly along here. Dive down a little bit. Like this. And then we do Immelman. Ah, that was bad. Let's do this again. I think I might have destroyed my muscle memory by flying race cow on 40-degree camera angle. So now my coordinated rolls look pretty bad. That's sad, man. We are at 3.6, so I can't do another run. Oh, we don't have to overdo it, I think. Let's fly a bit higher and do a little look around. Yeah, like that. That's cool. Hello, sun. Well, there's a tree. I didn't really see that in the analog footage. I might show you the analog footage so you can see that is there. Also, I wonder what these vertical lines are. Like, can you see that? Not sure if it is showing up in the DVR. But I think it might be something with the cam. Alright, let's land. Great. That was fun. Mrs. Discus performed well. I hope the camera performed well as well. I don't have an ND filter, so what you see is what you get, I guess.